Your question is prove by mathematical induction for all small n belongs to your natural number. See that what they have given, n into n plus 1 into n plus 5, that is a multiple of 3. We have to prove that. Okay, here what we have to do, just to multiply this first. So what you will get? So here you will get n into now multiply this. What you will get? Here if you multiply this both, you will get n square plus next is your 6n plus 5. That is equal to, now multiply this by this, you will get n cube plus now 6n square plus 5n. It should be equal to what? It is a multiple of 3m. That means it's equal of multiple of 3, or you can say divisible by 3. Therefore, this value is the multiple of 3. So we will simply write 3 into n. 3 multiple is this value. Okay, now we will take this full value as Pn. Next step is that we have to prove that Pn is true or false. True. For that what we have to do? We have to take n is equal to 1. Now substitute this value here. What you will get, see this, 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square plus 5. That is equal to 5 into 1. So 1 cube is 1 plus 6 plus 5. That is equal to, we can say, is 12. So 12 is the multiple of 3. It's true. So that means Pn is true now. Next we will take what? Instead of n, we will take k. Instead of n, we will take k. And k is nothing but it belongs to your natural number. Therefore, you will get a new situation here. What is that? You will get instead of n, k. So you will get k cube plus 6k square plus 5k. That is equal to 3m. Next. Now comes your important point here. What is that? In this we have to find out the value of k3. What is your k3? So simply we can say k3 is nothing but what? 3m minus this 2 value. 6k square minus 5k. So this is your important value. We will mark it as star. Next, we will take, instead of n, we will now take k plus 1. We know that Pn is true, that means Pk is also true. Now we will take k plus 1. So here comes your Pk plus 1. If you take Pk plus 1, what will happen? See that. It will be what? Don't see this. See here. It will be what? K plus 1. K plus 1 into, this is n plus 1. That means k plus 1 is there. Plus 1. That means k plus 2. It will be k plus 2 now. And this will convert to k plus 6. Okay. Now solve this. So you have seen that what we have solved earlier. We have solved n plus 1 and n plus 5. But here nothing is there. That means we have to solve everything. So what is that? We will solve first this. So here you will get k plus 1 and this will come to what? K square plus 8k plus 12. Now multiply by this. What you will get? First k, so that means you will get k cube plus 8k square plus 12k plus, now by 1 you will get the same value, k square plus 8k plus 12. That is equal to how much? You can see k cube plus 8k square plus k square is 9k square plus 12k plus 8k is 20k plus 12. Now if you see what is your k cube? K cube is nothing but this value. That only we will substitute here. What we will get? We will get 3m minus 6k square minus 5k is k cube, and remaining this we have to write here. So that is your plus 9k square plus 20k plus 12. Now solve this. If you solve this, what you will get? You will get 3m now minus 6k square plus 9k square is plus 3k square. Okay, now minus 5k plus 20k is plus 15k and plus 12. That is equal to, we can say, is nothing but 3m. Now see this. This is all the multiple of 3 only. So here we will write 3 as a common, and here you will get k square plus 5k plus 4. Now if you see, suppose this is your, we have taken this as one part. That means just we have taken d now. So what it will become? It will become what? 3 as common, and here it will be m plus d. So that means that every Pn is divisible by 3. You can see this, m plus d. So that means 3 into this, that means this is also a factor of that. Therefore we can simply say what? K plus 1 is also true. So now your answer is what? Pn is true. Therefore Pn is true for all n belongs to your natural number. So this is your answer now.